In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move text to top of the page in Google Docs. If you've ever opened a document and wondered how to bring your text closer to the top without adding a bunch of blank lines, this is exactly what you need. We'll make a small change in your document settings so your content sits higher on the page, giving you a cleaner, more efficient layout. First, open your file in Google Docs and make sure it's the document you want to adjust. It helps to have a paragraph or two near the top so you can immediately see the impact of the change. Remember, what we're about to do affects the whole document, not just one page, so it's great for consistent formatting. Next, go to the top menu and click File. From that drop-down, select Page Setup. This is where Google Docs keeps your page size and margin settings. If you've never been here before, don't worry. It's straightforward and only takes a moment. In the Page Setup dialog box, look for the Margin section. You'll see fields for top, bottom, left, and right. Focus on top margin, which is usually set to 1 inch by default. This value controls how much blank space sits above your first line of text. To move your text closer to the top, change the top margin to 0. If you prefer a little breathing room so the text doesn't sit right at the edge, try a smaller value like 0.5. You can use decimals for fine tuning, and depending on your locale, the unit might display in inches or centimeters. The idea is the same. Once you've entered your preferred value, click OK to apply the changes. You'll see the adjustment take effect immediately across your document. If you change your mind, you can always press undo or return to page setup and pick a different margin. Now review your document. Your text should appear noticeably closer to the top of the page. Scan the first page and a couple of following pages to confirm everything looks clean and properly aligned. Reducing the top margin can make your document look more compact and professional, but keep in mind that some printers require a small margin area and may not print edge to edge. For online sharing or PDFs viewed on screen, a very small top margin often works perfectly. And that's it. A simple margin adjustment is all you need to move your text up in Google Docs. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Google Docs tips and tutorials.